We know that Nernst equation is given by cell potential E cell equal to E naught cell minus RT upon MF ln of Q. यहाँ पर E cell जो है, this is the cell potential developed by electrochemical cell at some condition other than non-standard condition, that is when temperature is not equal to 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin and concentration in the half cells is not equal to standard concentration of 1 molar. और E naught cell जो है, that is at standard condition जो हमारा cell potential होगा, that is E naught cell, that is at temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and concentration in both the half cells will be 1 molar. Okay, then temperature is the absolute temperature in Kelvin and n is the number of moles of electrons involved in the balanced redox reaction. F is the Faraday's constant, which is nothing but the charge on 1 mole of electrons, and its value is 96,500 coulomb per mole of electron. And Q is the reaction quotient at any instant of time, that is nothing but product concentration divided by reactant concentration. तो इस इक्वेशन को हमें डराइव करना है. So we start with the thermodynamical equation, that is delta G equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. अब जो डेल्टा G है for electrochemical cell is minus NF E cell. Okay, because NF gives the total charge, number of moles of electrons multiplied by charge on 1 mole of electron is the total charge transferred in the electrochemical cell, and E cell is the cell potential. And negative sign is given because this electrical work is done by the cell or by the system. That is why we have taken negative sign. Okay, this is nothing but the electrical work done by the cell at non-standard condition. And delta G naught we can write as minus NF E naught cell, that is at standard conditions when concentrations in both the half cells is 1 molar and temperature is 298 Kelvin. So इसमें हम ये वैल्यू रख देते हैं. So we will get minus NF E cell equal to minus NF E naught cell plus RT ln Q. Okay, अभी हम दोनों तरफ जो है डिवाइड कर देंगे by minus NF. So we get E cell equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF ln of Q. And this is the equation which we have written at the top, that is the required Nernst equation to find the EMF of the cell at any non-standard condition, that is when the concentration is not equal to 1 molar in one or both of the half cells and the temperature is not equal to 298 Kelvin, or it can be any other value.